in this bit painting pants. Past few days, past week, been using a lot more energy than usual. These ones here and these ones here. So first you do the sketch, then you do the white. That's my mama paint. I took it a long time ago. So yeah. Yeah. So boom, this is where we at right now. Just paint the whole thing white and you just color it. That's a tit. That's bubble gum. So yeah, man. Just been going. Still going. Not done. Over here too. I'm doing the zeros on here, making them look better. Here, let me show y'all these. Yeah. That's there right there. So you see this up here, what the little price thing be. Slow burn. I ain't put the little line thing, but you see the Dutch. Got the little golden honey fusion, got the G. You know what I'm saying? And the 2 premium, you know what I'm saying? I got the 2 down there, just add to it. And over here, if you know, you know. But working on that, I want to make the cones smaller. So I'm gonna put some smaller cones on top of these bigger cones. Yeah. So boom, these were mine. I did this last night right here, and I'm really proud of it. I ain't never painted no skeleton before. And I'm like, these skeleton, man, I love skeletons, I love skulls, I love bones. Anything that got to do with shit like this, skeleton, all that shit, I love that shit. I'm getting a skeleton hand tattoo real soon, watch. So, we got the 7 chakras going up the back with the, you know what I'm saying? I started this, but I got it to this point yesterday, so I just did all this brown lines yesterday, and I did this yesterday. Look really cool. I'm really proud of this. This is like, you know, you do that one thing and you just don't want to look at it. I mean, like, and I ain't go in as much as I thought I was gonna go in, but I was like, it looked like a skeleton enough. That's gonna be straight type shit. So what we about to do is on the front of these. That's just the back. That's just the back. On the front. What's this? Okay. That's it. So look, right in this area here, we got a lot of space to work with. So I was thinking, oh yeah, some little pockets right there. I was thinking I was probably gonna put Vegeta right here. Let me see how this zipper work. Oh, so that just zip. That there for your ping. Okay, that there just zips then. Okay, we got some button action going on right here. Okay, so that's so I can loosen that bit, take it off the shit. Alright, bet then. I'm gonna put Vegeta on here. So look, let me show y'all how the sketches go. Oh, and while these Kimaya, I think I distracted. Oh my god, it's so satisfying. All this shit got move now. This how much came off in that run. If I don't stop right here, I'm gonna be right here forever, goddamn. So I have started on the Prince of All Saiyans himself. I chose Vegeta because I don't know, I fuck with Vegeta. I fuck with like his vibe and like what he stand for type shit. Like, know what I mean? He get like down. Yeah, they don't give Vegeta. Fuck, I said Javita. They don't give Vegeta the best credit or roles as the character that he played, but like they can do my man's better, and he really be standing on top of some real shit. Like he be on his gang over love type shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Prince of All Saiyans, bro. Get at him, bro. So this what my art space looked like a day before Rolling Loud. Paint everywhere. These drying. It's like I want to do these so bad, but I just gotta wait for them to dry. I'm jumping back and forth between these two right now. These drying. Palette for this. Palette for that. Actually, that red is with that too. These done. A bag of paint over there. That's the palette for that. That's why I do the jewelry at. Been making jewelry. I need to get more footage of that actually. But yeah, day before Rolling Loud. So look, I'm in a whole new location with it. Still painting. Yeah, just in a new little spot. I'm actually in the building that Rolling Loud gonna be at tomorrow. I'm just in another part of the building. But yeah, I'm getting my fit done. This is my Rolling Loud fit. I'm getting my stuff done. So this one I'm at with this right now. Super Saiyan Vegeta. Super Vegeta. So yeah, coming along. This finna be pretty fun. You know what I mean? I'm fucking with this one. I'm fucking with this whole little going right here. Yeah. So now I'm here. It just look like that, cause like how the thing wrinkled up and shit, like tight shit, like he don't look like that, but like he look cool type shit. So boom, we are here, we Super Saiyan out with it. Finna put this blue here, close that off, do the eyes, and this gonna be done. Rolling Loud be here. 2022 outfit, part 1. Super Saiyan Vegeta. It's not. I'll get it back in a little bit, but yeah, that's complete. Yeah, proud of that dog.